Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, gold for every weapon class and any specific challenge tiers. First, focus on one small weapon pool. You want momentum. Equip attachments that increase accuracy and handling because precision reduces grind time. Once done, queue into objective modes that spawn enemies predictably. This gives you consistent engagement. Make sure to use XP boosts and prioritize challenges that stack, because stacking boosts rewards. Begin now with your easiest weapon, and get the first 25-50 kills quick. You continue by structuring play. Cycle 3 weapons per session so each receives focused progress without fatigue. Use loadouts optimized for consistency, aim assist, suppressor, and faster ADS to convert engagements into reliable kills. Once you're in a match, control high-traffic lanes and stay near objectives. This increases encounter rate. Make sure to complete short side challenges during downtime. They stack toward Camo unlocks. Keep an eye on medal progress on screen, because small, efficient wins compound faster than chasing big, risky plays. You finish by clearing the remaining kills and specific challenge requirements, targeting the easiest spots for quick completions. Once completed, confirm every weapon class reads gold before the system awards dark matter. Some games have special case challenges that block final unlocks. If progress stalls or animations don't trigger, first switch maps or restart the session. This often forces an update. If that fails, clear cache or reconnect to the server. This resolves most progression bugs and lets you claim the Camo without losing time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.